Hi friends, this is Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen salmon in the air fryer. I'll be cooking it straight from frozen, so I will take 2 fillets. So see, they're frozen solid, and I will open the package and place them in the air fryer. Before I do that, I will spray the air fryer basket with a non-stick cooking spray so the salmon doesn't stick to the bottom. Now I will open up the frozen salmon. And we'll put it in the air fryer. Now let's put the basket in the air fryer and set the temperature to 400 degrees and set the time to 5 minutes. Now once 5 minutes are up, let's take a look. So at this point, the salmon is fully defrosted and we can season it. So I'm going to use some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I also like to add a piece of butter on top, and of course this is totally optional. And now let's put this back in the air fryer basket and set the temperature to 400 degrees and set the time to 3 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the salmon. Perfectly cooked. So it's super easy to make the salmon in the air fryer straight from frozen. First 5 minutes frozen salmon, then season it and cook for 3 more minutes at 400 degrees. For a printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.